Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I can show you my fourth Lego puzzle box I made, and here's what it looks like. Here. There. And I could show you to solve it, and let's get started. So first, what you need to do is, you see this piece right here, you pull it out, not pull it out, just slide it this way, like that, here. Okay, you see something inside there? Yeah. You could pull it out, there, this piece right here, get it. So now you pull this piece like this, that, and then pull it out. There. Now put this red key into this hole. See it? Oops. There. Like this. Now you push it. So when you push it, this is going to come out. Here, see it come out. Okay, so pull that out. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So now, what you need to do is pull this black piece out. Just pull it, don't get it out. Kind of hard to pull it out, but it's okay. There we go. Here you see it. Pull it out. So pull that out like that. Just pull it not all the way. Okay. Okay, so take this piece right here. Just stick it into there. Like this, and push it, and your prize is going to come out like that. Pull it out, and yay, here's your prize. So to reset it, take your prize, put it back in here, and then put it back into this hole. Pull this out. Put this key back in here. Here. There. Now, take this piece, put it into here. So first put it like this, and then slide it. Oh, it get jammed. Sometimes it get jammed, you know. But there, like that. Slide it in. Yep, like that. Now, the last part you need to do is put this red key into here, this hole. You need to aim in it. Wait. It's very hard to aim. Come on. Yeah, there we go. It just come back out. And where is it? Okay. Okay, when you put it back in, just close it. Close this piece. Oh wait, I forgot to just close this piece. Okay, so that is my Lego puzzle box, and I hope you guys enjoy, and bye-bye.